Good one? There you go.
In there,
This camera, you need to.
and then
Yeah.
just dead sticking it. Yeah.
Nice fish. Like 3 pounds. There you go. Oh, this is a better fish. There you go. Let's hand the net over here. That's a better fish. There you go. All right. Good morning, everybody. It's Steve and Brenda. We are back on Clear Lake. We launched today out of Clear Lake Oaks. And we're going to be in the Rattlesnake Arm. Not entirely, but for the most part. We have from Paradise Cove over to Anderson Island, maybe down the Redbud Arm a little bit to some docks we know of. But today we're throwing 4 different baits. So we're both got a trash bait. We both tied on jigs because last week when we were up here, it was like a fall bite. These fish were on the bottom. They were gobbling jigs. The other thing we're throwing is spinner bait. We always come out here with a spinner bait. And what's the last one? Drop shot.
Drop shot, of course.
We'll be drop shotting on some of these docks. Anyway, that's our plan today, and we're going to take off right now and get going. So come with us.
So the first thing we started doing was working this shoreline up for about, 200 or 300 yards. We didn't get a bite at all. I didn't want to bore you with too much of this because it was just casting, and nothing else. So we decided to move off to another cove that we knew that the docks might be holding some bass, and we were going to throw drop shots at them.
Got one?
Yeah.
Got fish, yeah. There you go.
Jeez.
Nice.
Oh, shit. Slow down.
Good one? There you go.
Oh, yeah,
Get
that's
the
good
net.
size.
Yeah, a little 2.5, 3 pounder.
Cool.
That's a nice fish. Okay. Broke the ice, girlfriend. His hook's way down in there.
Oh, jeez.
I got it. There you go.
Yeah, cool. Thank you.
You broke the ice. Look at that. Here.
I just kind of tossed it in there,
This camera, you need to
and then
Yeah.
Yeah, just dead sticking it. Yeah, it's about the size.
Nice fish.
There we go. See ya.
It's like 3 pounds.
Yeah.
There I go. Oh, this is a better fish. The other got me wrapped around that pole. There he is. There he is. Got the net. Put the rod down. There you go. Let's hand the net over here. That's a better fish. There you go. All right.
Is that the one I just caught?
I don't think so. Easy fish. Let me get you. Okay. There you go. That's a nice 3-pounder.
Watch your rod, too.
Yeah. I'm gonna let him go now. They're starting to move in here. These fish are trying, I don't know what they are, bluegill or something. Trying to eat those flies.
Mm-hmm.
Right. There I go. Oh, this is a better fish here. Whoa, look at him. He's coming right out. He's a big one. I wouldn't say a monster, but he's definitely going to go on the film. Okay. Go. Nice. Zach, did you change the camera so that you're on that side of the boat? You gotta lift them up. Thank you. Ow, I'll bite my finger. Oh, it's a 2-pounder. 2-pounder. All right.
Keeper.
That's exactly right. It's just a keeper. There I go. Another 2-pounder or so. Man, he's swimming right at the boat. Actually, this feels like a better fish. I think I'm not. Yeah, it's gonna be a net fish. Funny, he hasn't come up. There it goes. Whatever side he wants to go. He's feisty. He's feisty. I'm gaining on him now. There you go. Here. There you go. That's a better one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's 3.5. All right, folks. Well, the drop shot
Yeah, it's a bigger fish.
is definitely working. That's just look at a football, man. He's fat. I bet you this fish is more like 4 pounds.
Huh.
You
You're gonna
know?
run into weeds.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna let him go. He's out. You got one?
Yeah.
Atta girl. Wow.
I smell one.
How do you know that?
It's shaky.
I think it's a better fish than you think. Yep, yes it is. You saw him jump and you cast it over there. That's awesome. There it is. It's a couple pounds. Here's a big fat guy.
I was wrapped around it.
The hook's in the net. Here, hold the fish.
The fishing was fast and furious for about 2 hours. I don't actually know how many fish we caught, but we caught more than a few. So sit back, enjoy the show.
Okay. There's another chunk, another 3-pounder. They're all 3 pounds. It's pretty cool.
All right, guys. Hey, thanks for joining us today. We're going to get out of here. It's, what time is it? About 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
And temperatures have risen to 85 degrees. I think I can stay out here all day and catch 3-pounders all day long. You saw it. It's been a great day. We've caught, I don't know, 12 to 15 fish, not counting the shakers. Probably caught, what, 10 shakers?
I lost count.
Yeah, we lost count. So it was a day of probably, if you had everything together, about 25, 30 fish. It's that coming into a fall pattern up here on Clear Lake, and the fishing is getting good. So anyway, we're going to take it in, go see Stella. And listen, like always,
We'll see you on the next adventure.
we'll see you there. All right, thanks for joining us today.